Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install DirectX 12 on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your web browser of choice. I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial, but you're welcome to open up a different web browser if you so choose. And you want to search for DirectX 12 download. And one of the best results should be from a Microsoft web page here, DirectX Microsoft. So go ahead and open that up. And then just give it a second here. It should begin automatically downloading, and you can see it has finished downloading. Go ahead and open it up. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. You can close out of the web browser too at this time. You want to accept the agreement and then select next. I'm going to uncheck the option to install the Bing bar and then next again. And select next again. It's about 93 megabytes in size. Okay, so once that's done, select finish. Would recommend restarting your computer, but that should honestly be about it at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.